this is me again, Viv's, and today we are going to review another Louis Vuitton bag. This bag was, I think I purchased it year 2018 in Paris. So let's go ahead and check this bag. Okay, so this is the box of Louis Vuitton, and if we open it up, so this is the bag that I have right now. It's inside the dust bag. Along with it is the receipt of what I have purchased. So let's open. Okay, so this is the bag that I have right now, and this is called Louis Vuitton in Damier Ebene Southbank Besace shoulder bag or crossbody. Okay. This is made from Damier Ebene coated canvas with dark brown leather trim, I should say. Include a flat adjustable shoulder strap. So this is the shoulder strap, and this is adjustable. Okay, so let's just remove the box so we can see more. So it is adjustable. You can adjust the length of the strap. I have here 1, 2, 3 holes, 4 I should say. So you can adjust it depending on your height or how long you wanted this bag. So you can change it into a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. This Southbank shoulder bag is made up of Damier Ebene with dark brown lining and then red lining inside. The cloth that is used is red, and the hardware that is used on this bag is in gold tone, as you can see here, and then with a tassel that you can detach or attach to this bag. A very big pocket where you can put your easy access things when you use this. The double zip closure. One big pocket inside where you can put your wallet or anything that you wanted it to be not always accessing, or you don't always bring it out, so you can put it here. And this is the material of the bag. It is in red. Okay, so this is Damier Ebene Southbank Louis Vuitton. So let's review this bag that I have right now. So the strap is undetachable. You cannot detach the strap, but what you can do is you can adjust the strap. So if you want it to be longer or shorter, depending on how you wanted to use this bag, then you can just adjust the strap. And the strap is also made up of dark brown lining, and on the side is red lining. Okay. The design of this bag is very simple. The width of the base is about 12 inches. The height is about 9.5 inches, and the depth is 2 inches. The shoulder strap, which is adjustable, is 21 inches. Okay, so let's review this bag. After buying this 2018 in Paris, at Lafayette. I bought it from Lafayette department store in Paris. And as of now, the hardware is still shiny, but as you can see here, there are some discoloration. It's now changing to silver. Supposedly it is in gold tone. So since I have been using this bag for how many years now, it's now changing, but I think you can bring this to Louis Vuitton and they can reapply the gold tone again. I'm not sure. I'll try to do that one of these days. Okay, so the zipper that we have here is with the mark Louis Vuitton. Okay, so it is very shiny, but there are some discoloration, or the gold tone is already disappearing. The zipper is, you can easily open the zipper. Since I have been putting all the things that I wanted to be accessible, easily accessible, it's the pocket is quite open now, as you can see here, but it's not necessarily obvious. It's not very obvious. Okay, and the lining inside is very clean, and the tassel, sometimes I wanted to remove the tassel, but most of the time I just attach it with my bag because it's very nice. I will attach some clips where how you wear this bag with the tassel. Okay, then here is another hardware. It is in gold tone. So far so good. It is very shiny because after I use this bag, I normally put it inside the dust bag after wiping it. So you have to wipe it with clean, smooth cloth so that it will not be scratched by a cloth. So make sure that it is very soft, the cloth that you're going to use. Okay, so here is the buckle, and it is very shiny. Few scratches, but it's okay because we've been using it for many times now. Same with the zipper here. The only concern that I have right now is this on the zipper. So you can see here, it's very obvious that there are some discoloration. It became white or silvery. Okay. So the hand on the strap, okay, the stitches are all the same. Okay, and when you check, it is very new. It looks new. A bit of crease. Of course, we've been using it several times, so you cannot avoid not to have some creases. Alright, so crease on this one, but it's not a very obvious. Okay, then this one at the back is the red lining. Same on the other side. The hardware is in gold tone, and as you can see here, there are some scratches. So I'm not sure whether you can see, but there are some scratches here, but not so obvious. And I think there's a thread that is coming out. Then if we check the leather that is used on this bag, so this is in Damier Ebene. Okay, so there is a cut here, a connections to highlight the pocket in front. Okay, and as you can see here again, even though there is a stitches at the base of the bag, you will see that the patterns are continuous. Okay, this is what I like with Louis Vuitton, because they try to use the same canvas in one bag, and they make sure that the designs are all continuous. Okay, same thing here, Louis Vuitton. There we go. This is the big pocket. Let's open up inside. And this is how it looks like inside, with a Louis Vuitton made in France. Pocket. And if you are wondering where you can find the date code for this bag, it's inside, just near the hardware, and this is the date code. It says here DR4158. So that's a date code. I can share it to you, some info on how you find and calculate the date code of Louis Vuitton. Okay, and this is the canvas that I have, that is used on this bag. It's very roomy inside. You can put a lot of things. Yes, so this is my Louis Vuitton Southbank in Damier Ebene. If you have any questions regarding this bag, just comment down below and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Goodbye.